See if we can straighten this thing out. Well, I've done, I got a piece of poplar that I had milled down. Cut it to the width I need. And then I cut it this way to 3/4 of an inch. I'm gonna run it through the planer. It's got a little groove. I don't know if you can see it or not there. Try to get it down a little bit. So that's the box. I took and ran it through the pulled. I had a couple nails in it, so I had to dig them out. So I'm gonna make this fit there somehow or another. I got it brought out for the hinges. Then I got to cut the final length on it. So Bobby builds it. If you're watching, I'm winging this one, brother. Just hoping I can get it to go.
So I was just parking my car, and then I saw you.
Okay, went back to the drawing board. So I'm checking out. Oh, this is what Sandy's working on. It's one of them little benches I made. She's doing something with the top on it. So I went back to this one, and I noticed that I mortised the lid more than I did the back side. So it works like that inside. So that's what I'm going to do to this one. I'm going to put my small bit in my palm router. I've already got it done some. I'm going to mortise these like I did the other one. See how that works. Okay. Hey, this is what I'm doing. I got these little end mills. I got chucked up in my
We've been building brighter futures and supporting local businesses in our communities for over 40 years. We champion initiatives that
palm router. I'm going to try to freehand this.
and we encourage new ideas that will improve the plans and services we provide. We hold ourselves to high ethical standards and have the courage to do what is right. We make customer service our number one.
claim service.
Well, that's how Geico gets 97% customer satisfaction.
Anyway, that's all. Enjoy the rest of your food.
No worries. So you just gonna watch me?
Oh, sorry. Just a little starstruck. I'll be on my way.
If you're gonna stick around, just put up a tent.
You're the best.
Get more than just savings. Get more with Geico.
2 hours ago, Kyle arrived at the bar.
Hey, what's everyone drinking?
30 minutes ago, Kyle got his friends another round of drinks.
Cheers.
5 minutes ago, Kyle decided to drive home drunk. A minute ago, a law enforcement officer pulled up behind Kyle.
So have you been drinking tonight?
A chain of events that began 2 hours ago.
So call us. The initial appointment is only $99 and includes blood work, a medical consult, and a medically advised a test case. And if that test case doesn't work,
Go from there, see what happens.
The Fox.
That's a lot better. So we'll see what happens. Together. I got it cut that much off because I left it long on purpose. But it's so nice and neat and tight. So we'll cut that off. I'll get that mounted onto the other box and we'll see what it looks like. There it is. I got some holes to fill, a little bit of sanding to do where I've done the round over in here. But it's off a little bit, but that top is just a little twisted, but that is 1,000 times better than it was. Thousands. That's the box. It's gonna have. It's supposed to hold like a 10x7 Bible. Like I said, it's all out of anyway. So we'll see what it measures inside. You guys, anybody can make this. This is just basic stuff. Yeah, it's a little over 7 wide, and 10 1/4 on the inside, and this is all like 1/2 inch material. So the finished product outside, 9 3/8. Wait, 13 1/8. Sorry. Not one of my better videos. 13 1/8. And it is. Let me turn it over. 3/8 wide. There you go. I gotta center this on it and get it in place. Glue it down. It would be really cool if I could inlay that and fill it with epoxy, but I've never dealt with epoxy, so I'm just gonna leave it with the raised cross. And if I had a laser, I could actually put somebody's name on it from the bottom, which would be kind of cool. But gotta fill a few holes, sand it down. We'll see what, I'll post a picture. I'm not gonna do a video, I'll post a picture of the finished product. So, all right, everybody, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging with me.